Hi everyone, Paulo here. So welcome back to just another dang how-to channel. So on this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to use Rebase. So just a quick recap. On the previous tutorial, we learned how to use merge. So I'm gonna open up Keynotes just to quickly show you what we did from the last time. So when we created a new branch, we have the develop branch pointing to the same commit. And when you do another commit on the develop branch, it would create another hash. And when you check out on the master branch and you just do a merge of the develop branch, it would just do a fast forward. So that's a straight merge that does a fast forward. The tricky bit is when your branches diverge. So for example, back here, I'm on the master branch and I created a commit, and on my develop branch I created another commit. So they have now diverged, and if I further make another commit on the develop branch and I want to merge these changes to the master branch, what's going to happen, it's going to create a commit message, another hash commit C5, and that's going to point my master branch to that. That's going to merge all the codes from the develop branch into that new hash, this commit 5. So with Rebase, it's much more cleaner and much more linear. So for example, here we're back on the same setup. I have my master branch, which has its own commit, and at the lowest half we have the development branch, which has a couple more commits on it. So what's gonna happen when you do a rebase is, if I check out to the develop branch and I do git rebase to the master, what it's actually going to do, it's gonna align itself like this. So you would see that commit 2 is still at further back by 2 commits on the develop branch. So when you do a merge now on the master branch, it's simply gonna do a fast forward, and then you can see that your trail of commits are much more cleaner. So that's the difference between git merge and using git rebase. So let's try that out. So back here on my code, I have two branches, the master and develop. From the last tutorial, we simply did a git merge and then resolve some conflicts. So let me actually delete the develop branch here to make it much more cleaner. But not yet merged to head, so that's fine. So I can say git branch develop. So I think I had more changes on that branch. Git oh, it's already been deleted. Cool. So let me do clear here, and I'm gonna create a new branch again. So git checkout -b, and let's call it develop again, and it's gonna create a new branch for me. So if I go to git branch, it would say that. So what I'm gonna try to mimic is I'm gonna create a couple of commits on this branch. So I'm gonna add a new page. I'm gonna say develop.html. Some boilerplate there, and then just git add develop HTML, git commit, and say added develop page. And I'm also gonna modify this to welcome page. Git let's do a shortcut, git commit am, which would add and add the commit message at the same time, dated page HTML. So if I go to my git log, you would see that I have two logs here, both on the develop branch, updated page, and this guy. So let's go and check out the master branch. let me just align this a little bit. So there, I'm on the master branch now, and I'm just gonna update this page to added more details and git commit am and say updated index. So this would represent the master having its own commit, and then the develop branch kind of moving forward with two more commits on the side. So to do a rebase, you actually check out the branch that you want to rebase. So if I go to git checkout develop, so I'm back on my branch here, you can see that it's still clean. If I go now to say git rebase master, it's gonna first rewind the head to replay your work on top of it, and then it's gonna added develop page, updated page in that. So it's still the same as before. If I do git log, I'm here, and then if I go a little bit lower here, you would see that its base is the updated index. Cool. So if I now go to git checkout master, I could simply say git merge develop. This would move the master pointer to the latest commit, which is updated. Let's go here, updated page HTML. So if I go do that, and say git log, you would see that it's now pointed to the updated page HTML. So that's how easy it is to do a git rebase. Hope you found that useful. If you have any questions or any other tips, please drop them on the comments below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Cheers. Bye for now.